This is quality management in 3 minutes. You're a test manager. People are always coming to you with questions. Are all the requirements tested? Is everything working? And the big one, are we ready to ship? But crunching all of your data down to one simple answer is not easy. There's lots of data to track, such as test requirements, test results, and defect lists. And that's if you're lucky. For many, gathering that data is challenge enough, as it is often spread out across your organization, stored in different tools, on different servers, in different buildings, cities, or even different countries. Collecting all of that data and reducing it down to answer this one key question quickly becomes an overwhelming, time-consuming effort. What you need is a way to create a plan that captures and tracks different types of data, a way to execute manual and automated tests to fulfill your plan, and a way to convert all of this data into information that you can use for decision making. What you need is IBM Rational Quality Manager. Yay! Let's see how this works. Meet Tim, the test manager. Tim's company is releasing a new software application, and it's Tim's job to ensure that the application meets all of the business objectives it was designed to support. Tim starts by creating a test plan using the Web 2.0 based interface of Rational Quality Manager. Tim's plan contains information about business objectives, requirements, test environments, test cases, and any other piece of information he needs to keep track of as part of his goal of ensuring his application meets his business objectives. Next, and very importantly, Tim assigns responsibility for each of the sections of the test plan to the various members of the team. He assigns business objectives to Bob in Boston, requirements to Rick in Rome, test cases to Lester in London. In teams of more than one person, assigning ownership is the first step towards collaboration, getting the whole team working in lockstep towards a common business objective. As responsibilities are assigned, each user gets a new item on their to-do list and also gets notification of all other activity on the team activity list. As Lester builds his test cases to fulfill Bob's business objectives, he links them to Rick's requirements. This will enable Test Manager Tim to be able to know which requirements have been covered, and more importantly, which have not. When Lester the tester wants to run his manual tests, Rational Quality Manager will prompt him with step-by-step instructions for completing the test. For Lester's automated tests, Rational Quality Manager will figure out the most efficient path to ensure coverage of all the different environments Lester must validate. Finally, Rational Quality Manager gives the whole team the reports they need to answer their key questions. What's been tested? Are all the requirements covered? And the big one, are we ready to ship? Rational Quality Manager helps you collaborate, automate, and govern your software delivery process. Download your free trial today by clicking on this link.